start with the seaweed, rough side up. That's where it's going to stick to. Hopefully I don't have that backwards. So I'm going to start with some rice. And I said just to pat it, don't mush it down, but we just want to spread it. Actually, I'm going to use this since it's still a little warm. So next, we're going to add some cucumber. Then avocado. And for that particular person, if she is watching this, yes, I did wash my hands. Now I do have some sesame seeds, but since I'm doing rice on the inside, I'm not going to have anything for this to stick to. The sesame seeds won't stick to the outside. So we're going to get some artificial crab meat. Like I said, I got more than actually I need. So now you have to roll it. And that's what this bamboo. Actually, I need one that's bigger. So I guess my roll is way too big in comparison. Some massive roll of sushi. And all my stuff is falling out. Again, note to myself, I actually put too much rice on this, and this is way too big. So actually, I may be able to try and make a smaller one. Clean all this extra off here. Alright, that's number one.